Morning, my name is Mark Ambridge. I'm the Sales Director of Topcoat Specialist Coatings. We are standing on the Barton Street Car Park in Hamilton on a glorious autumn day. Topcoat were engaged by a client 3 months ago to apply a waterproofing car park trafficable system to approximately 1,650 square metres. The biggest challenge with this project was the fact that the existing car park membrane was leaking and water was getting into the tenancy below. So after due diligence, Topcoat chose the Altex Deckshield system, and this solution has proven to be very successful. It allowed us to address all the cracks and apply the system in a very short period of time. The Deckshield ED system is a MMA system which allows a rapid recoating window, and we were able to hand the project back to the client within 3 weeks. The project itself has been very successful. It included addressing all the surface cracks, the control joints, line marking. We also had a seismic joint waterproofing system to put over the entry to the ramp below. The project itself, as I say, has been very successful.
Hello, I'm Enrique Torres from Altex Coatings. Deckshield ED Rapid, our waterproof car park system, was chosen to watertight this facility for 3 main technical reasons. First one, for fast curing. The facility needed to be open as soon as possible to the public. Second, for its crack breaching capabilities. And the last one, because as a MMA based, has no recoating time, so helps to maintain the facility over the years.